Welcome back to Today in Design and SEO Marketing, the podcast you need. I'm Ron Wicker, CEO at ThinkIt Media. Quick story to start. A recent joint webinar we co-promoted with a partner got republished in a few places. But the real win came when we converted one element, the webinar's data summary, into a small hosted dataset on our domain. That mini dataset picked up 12 backlinks and drove a 38% lift in organic visits to the landing page in 6 weeks. That's not hype. Real measurable value from a tiny change. That's great.
Let's dive in. Hi, I'm Mitzi Roach, SEO Manager. In the next 10 minutes, we'll give you 5 tactical, low-lift partner SEO moves and a 30-day sprint you can run. Each move includes one immediate action and a short KPI to watch. Most definitely practical stuff. No heavy engineering required.
Okay, point 1. Ownership and canonical rules. This is boring, but it's the foundation. Before anything publishes, agree who owns the canonical URL and who controls metadata. Immediate action. Add a one-line canonical owner to every collaboration brief. Say it right in the brief. Canonical owner, Company A, URL to be published on domain.com.
Exactly. And the reason this matters is simple. Google and other search engines will choose an indexable source if you don't make ownership explicit. If partners republish a full asset without canonical or attribution, you can lose the organic credit. Immediate KPI. Within 2 weeks of publishing, check which URL is indexed and whether the canonical tag is honored. If the partner site is getting indexed instead, escalate the canonical rule.
Point 2. Host a canonical mini dataset on your domain. This was the trick in the micro case. Instead of letting a webinar transcript live elsewhere or be copied, publish a small original dataset or CSV on your site that's clearly the canonical source. Immediate action. Publish one 3 to 10 row dataset or a short data excerpt on your site and add a shareable embed code.
Let me unpack that. A mini dataset is tiny, 3 to 10 rows, a few columns, an original data point, but it's yours and linkable. Make the HTML page clean, include schema where appropriate, and offer an embed snippet partners can use that points back to your canonical URL. Immediate KPI, track backlinks and referral traffic to that dataset page. Aim for at least a handful of external links in the first 4 to 6 weeks.
Now we'll do a quick micro case walkthrough, how we structured the mini dataset, syndicated it, and outreach to earn backlinks. We kept the dataset simple. 3 headline metrics from the webinar, 1 short chart image, and an embed snippet, so partners could copy-paste a small iframe that credited our domain. Then we included that embed in the partner brief and in the follow-up outreach email.
From the outreach side, we prioritized partners by domain quality. For high-quality partners, we asked for a canonical link. For lower-quality sites, we provided the embed snippet so the content referenced our canonical page regardless. The timeline? Publish day 0, outreach days 1 to 7, monitoring weeks 2 to 6. Backlinks started appearing in week 2 and continued through week 6.
Point 3. Snippet-ready co-assets. Write answer-first FAQ blocks and 50 to 80 word canonical excerpts partners can reuse. Immediate action. Draft 1 snippet per collaboration that partners can copy into their pages. Short, search-friendly, and clearly credited to your canonical page.
Snippet-ready content helps with featured snippets and keeps the core messaging consistent. From an SEO perspective, structure those snippets as direct answers, 1 clear question, 1 concise answer, and a canonical URL added in the metadata or via the embed. KPI, check for increases in impressions for the target query within 2 to 4 weeks. A measurable bump usually shows quickly if the snippet is used widely.
Point 4. Make content link-worthy. Add a download, a template, or 1 original data point that partners and their audiences want to reference. Immediate action. Attach a single downloadable asset to the partner page, a 1-page template, or a short CSV excerpt. Don't overthink it. 1 useful, original item is enough.
And be intentional about the file format and presentation. PDFs with clear metadata,
CSVs with a concise README, or tiny interactive charts increase shareability. KPI, measure download clicks and the number of external pages referencing the download over a 4 to 6 week window. If downloads spike but backlinks don't, push a targeted outreach email to a subset of partners.
Point 5. Syndication guardrails and a pilot measurement plan. Put lightweight rules in place. Agreed rel canonical behavior, permitted excerpt lengths, reuse of the snippet blocks, and an embed fallback if canonical can't be guaranteed. Immediate action, set a 14-day pilot dashboard tracking backlinks, organic impressions, and qualified referrals.
For the dashboard, keep it minimal. New backlinks to the canonical asset, organic impressions and clicks for target queries, and referrals from partner domains. 2 weeks gives you a quick read on whether the approach is working and what to tweak. Also, include a pre-published partner checklist that requires canonical metadata. That's one of our mitigations for the duplicate indexing risk.
So, what does success look like in 30 days? Concrete examples: a published canonical mini dataset plus embed snippet, 3 partners using the snippet or download, at least 3 to 10 external links to the canonical asset, and a measurable bump in organic impressions for the targeted queries, like that 38% lift we saw in the case study within 6 weeks. If you hit the lower end, say 3 backlinks and a small impressions lift, you've already proven the play and can scale it.
Resources. We've put a partner SEO audit template and checklist in the show notes to help you run the 30-day sprint. It includes the one-line canonical owner field, a mini dataset template, a snippet template, and a 2-week dashboard layout. Use it as the playbook to speed approvals and reduce legal friction.
Before we close, one single tactical step you can run today. Agree canonical owner in your next partner brief and publish a 50, 80-word snippet-ready excerpt on your site. That alone starts the process of capturing organic credit and makes outreach meaningful. Sure thing, one small action, real upside.
That's it for me. Grab the partner SEO audit template in the show notes, try the 14-day pilot dashboard, and monitor those early KPIs. I hear you. This is doable even with small teams.
Thanks for listening. Let's talk about this.